Hello everybody, this is Rajab Nacha, Technical Product Lead at Vardot. In this video, I'm going to show you uh, a new module, Varbase Media Demo, Varbase underscore media underscore demo assets. It's providing a default asset for Varbase Media, all Varbase Media types, and which needed when we are doing development, testing, and demoing Varbase. It will be needed. Some of these assets will be needed for stories when we have Varbase stories. So, for example, we do have a site like this. It's a Varbase site which you can see it's an empty site, nothing in it, just fresh installation with Varbase blog and Varbase hero slider and nothing there. If you go to media, you will see nothing there. If you try to create a new content like this, you are demoing something to somebody, and you want, for example, you want to add a video and to have a cover image for the video or a local video or an image. So with all these options to show them in a quick way, so what I'm telling you, this module will help you to do that. Even if you are doing local development or testing something with testing the options with Varbase Media, to have all the options there or possibilities, make sure that they are working. And that thing could go up to something like this. So you will have a blog with all that. You'll see, okay, this is a video, this is a image. If I click here, what I'm going to see, you will see something like this. So you will have the option to test, to demo, and when you are developing, you will notice that it's working. So let's go back to the steps. It's easy 3 steps. Just change directory to your project. For example, I opened this terminal, cd var.html. I have a project here, Varbase 10c3, I think. Yes, I'm inside the project. Just require the module like this. And it will install with the composer, bringing everything with it. And you can enable the module with the drush. So you could use this command, or if you don't have the alias, you could type pin brush and enable the module like this. And uh, by that you can have now all the list of media. For example, if I'm testing something, it's like this, and add a media, you will be able to see the list of media. You will be able to use from them directly, and just if you save, example, you need to add the body. Here you have, like, we do have a quick test with an image in really short time. So, but if I want to do more, you can enable the devil module, and you will have a list of uh, blogs with all the videos, images, and options. We have, I think it's devil generate, install the module. Yeah, here. Uh, and after enabling the module, you can see the generate. We can generate content, but I want to generate content for blog, but blog is using blog categories. I want to have like 3 categories, and let's keep the deep of the category within one. And now I generated 3 categories. Let's generate 10 tags, same thing, one depth. The day for them could be up to like one year. So if you go back to configuration, generate content, and now generate blog post. Let's say it's 1 year and the maximum character 12, and generate. So it is something like this. If you try to go back to the, you can see if I go back to blog, I can see the test one, which has got no data. But now I generated more with all the options, images and text. We can go and tweak all these text and remove the summary from them. At the end, they could look something like this, and you will be able, for example, if you click, you can see all the possibilities. And yes, and this one, it's something like I want to see, okay, I do have an image, Vimeo image with a cover image inside a blog post. And now I've seen it inside the full content page and inside the teaser view or the card view within there. You can go for more and add more things like sliders using the same assets as well. Images like this one is a background image, and some other images. Yeah, could be used local image, and yeah, it's something like that. I hope that you make use of this module. This module has got a couple of presets. You may notice them. For example, if I go to content media, let me show you from the site, not from the images. So you do have like you could use this one as a blog image, remote Vimeo image with a cover image, YouTube Vimeo with a cover image. Same thing for the YouTube, and some of them without. And you do have personal images and startup images. You could use it like that. This one is a local video without cover image, and some figures and co-working images. And from here, you can see an avatar image, background image, marketing, co-working. And we do have like 3 app images. And all these images are from demos from the internet. This list could have more later or could have less. It's up to what we go up from there. Hope that you make use of them, and it will make your development development work easier when you are developing and testing your changes. And for testers, could even help them as well. And when we try to create demos, it will help them with that. And the most important one with Varbase Storybooks, we could use these default set of images within custom stories, or just to show the capabilities. Like images like these could go up, could be fetched up from the module and linked in with there, just to show that okay, this is an image. And that's it for now. Thank you everybody, and cheers. Bye bye.